Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, this is a place for skincare, hair care and makeup. If you like any of the above, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. This video is something that I have wanted to share with you guys for some time, and I am glad I finally get to do it. The aloe vera and lemon toner, and all you need is aloe vera and lemon. That's simple. This will help you with acne, dark spots, hyperpigmentation, dark circles, fine lines like wrinkles, and you can also try it out on your stretch marks. If you have no idea or don't know how to make aloe vera gel, but you're interested in making it from scratch, I am going to put 2 videos in the description box for you to watch so you see how it's done. In here I have 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice to it. Mix this well. If you happen to make way more than you need, keep the rest in an airtight container and place it in your fridge. It should last up to 7 days. This is all that you have to do to make this aloe vera and lemon toner. This doesn't smell bad at all. It smells like lemon. It smells very much like lemon. After you've cleaned your face, use a cotton pad or your fingers or a mask applicator to apply this. I'm going to use a cotton pad. Just dip it in a little bit and apply directly to your skin. Avoid the area around your eyes because that is actually very sensitive skin and lemon could irritate it. Also, if you have sensitive skin, be careful when you're using lemon because it can actually really irritate your skin. If it starts to sting or burn so much, add some water to dilute the lemon. Leave this on for 20 minutes and then rinse it off with warm water and continue with the rest of your skincare routine. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video, especially if you did watch it till the end. If you like it, please try it out, share, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. See you next time.